Athaki a kirabu kia Gor Mahia matirahũmũka makiharĩrĩria mbere ya ngucanio yao na kirabu kia AFC Leopards, ngucanio iria igucagĩrĩria macambĩki maingĩ na kwambatĩria ũrugarĩ wa mathako gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Mugwemi wa bao woma Benson Omala marĩ na mũrunawe Austin Odhiambo makiuga o marongoreirie o ũhotani muthenya wa Kiumia.
Unafanya tu vitu normal umekuwa ukifanya kwa hizo games zingine, na mimi kama striker vitu nimekuwa nikifanya nikifunga tu mabao, so mimi ikikam game kaa hiyo nataka tu niongeze mabao zangu.
Siwezi sema na feel poa cause FC Leopards ndio mali nimeanza kucheza ball na hao ndio wamenipatia hii platform, so ndasema tu ni like I'm just trying to win the game for.
Kocha wa Kogalo Jonathan McKinstry akiuga ena mwĩhoko munene wa kuhotana ngucanio ĩno.
And yeah, we're just preparing as normal. For us, you know, we'll take into account one or two things about our opponents as we always do, but you know, we know it's about us. You know, we know it's about if we play to our maximum levels, if our match winners all have good days out at Niai on Sunday, then we're not going to be too far away from the 3 points.
Hindi ya meharĩrĩria maya, Minister wa ũkinyanĩria Owalo nĩ acereire athaki a Gor Mahia kuria orĩtie onjoria sekta-inĩ ya andũ kĩũmbe metĩkĩre kũigithia mũbira-inĩ wa magũrũ.
And we want to urge them to support these clubs because if these clubs can have a financially sustainable base, then we can take back Kenyan football to where it was in the 80s, where Kenya was a powerhouse in the region.
Meharĩrĩria mothe nĩ marĩkĩtie gũkinyanĩra. Rĩu kirabu kia Gor Mahia gĩkĩhoka atĩ mũthenya wa Sunday nĩgakorwo gĩkĩiyũkia ũhotani thĩinĩ wa Mashemeji Derby. Ĩno nĩ ceceni ya Inoro TV Thika, na niĩ njĩtagwo Moses Ngige.